We're going to apply a coat of polish over the surface before the wax. The polish is working like a sealer, and that's going to give you the wet look. It's going to bring out the color more.
Okay.
Normally we would be using the number 45 marine polish, but because the swirl-free polish comes in a larger container, that's why we're using this. A little bit of a haze, yes. Okay, our next step is to use number 63, which is a polymer polish. It's a man-made wax, so it's going to last longer and it'll bring out the color a lot better. The other way to apply the product is either put it on the surface first or put it on the pad. What you do is put a little bit on the pad, and work it into the surface. Bit of film so that you won't have any swirl mark. Okay, we're using a microfiber towel to remove the rest of the residue so that you will not have any swirl mark and it will take all of the product off.